mabuting tao, magandang buhay, good life, good person, long live, long life. Once again, welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, retired teacher, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, retired teacher. Welcome, my kamabuhay, my mabuhay years. I would like to feature today the awesome life in Davao City. Life is here again. I really experienced it firsthand. I will be picturing the pedestrian line. Here is an example of a pedestrian line, live and alive here in Mintal, wherein I experienced it really, many times. The drivers, they are really respectful. The moment you step down one step on this line, then they will stop already. They will start to stop the vehicles, and that's very awesome. Since the people of Davao, as the Davaoeño now, I really like this place. There is discipline, respect to all the people here in Davao. Okay, let me share to you now. Here it is. Okay, so it's so awesome. Look at this. Oh, the jeep will stop to make way for the pedestrian. So amazing. Yeah, right now. They are very respectful. The moment you step down the pedestrian line, then the pedicab, everyone, the vehicle will stop. Okay, this is the pedestrian line in Mintal, Davao. So accidents are avoided due to disciplined people on this Davao Life. Davao Life is here again. So amazing. Really, the political will of the leaders here in Davao. So it's a wonderful life. I am a proud Davaoeño. Proud Davaoeño. Yes. I never experienced this. Only in Davao City. So I'm now a proud Davaoeño living here in the city. Yes, it is a city that I am very proud, where life is here again. Life is here in Davao. Just one feature of the characteristics is the pedestrian line. And of course, describing Davaoeño, who are now my co-Davaoeño. They are now my co-Davaoeño. They are really respectful, accommodating whenever you have questions. They will answer you politely. Oh, look at that. They are really behaved. The people here are behaved. Discipline, no overspeeding. Yeah, so the pedestrian line is really respected by all of the kinds of vehicles. The pedestrian line is really one that is being really disciplined with the people crossing here and vehicles who are also using this line. As you can see, let me also picture the situation in Mintal, the traffic or the movement rather of the vehicles. There is no moderate traffic, there is no heavy traffic. It's just, yes, traffic is movement of the vehicles. So it's a movement of the vehicles, no? So let me correct that one. When you pronounce the word traffic, it simply describes the movement of the vehicles. So this time, on this very Thursday morning, I'm here. My touchdown in Davao City. So as usual, there is movement of the vehicles. The weather is fine. It's not raining, and it's just okay. No hot temperature by this time. So thank you for being with me. My picture of the disciplined people in Davao. My new community, my new life, new beginning, my new chapter. So proud Davaoeño now. Thank you everyone for following me, my Mabuhay channel, my YouTube, my Facebook page, and of course my Reels. Let me share you the words of wisdom. If what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Okay? What if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Okay? Thank you for this, because I really believe on my words of wisdom, which is, if there's no picture, it did not happen. Okay? If there's no video, if there's no picture, it did not happen. So I document my life now and then. For now, this is my shirt, A Day in Davao City, with your retired teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, Mabuhayers. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. Signing off, retired teacher, Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Until my next vlog, thank you everyone. Mabuhay, mabuhay.